In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to blur things in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first, I'm going to show you how to blur a specific portion of your video. So once you have Adobe Premiere open and you imported your footage and all that, you can go ahead and head over to Effects. Then you're going to go to Video Effects, Blur and Sharpen, and then Gaussian Blur. You're going to drag that onto your clip. Now once it's open and dragged onto your clip, you're going to notice that in Effect Controls, you now have a Gaussian blur effect on there. So what you're going to want to do, you can either use Eclipse, or the polygon mask, or free draw Bezier. For now, I'm going to be using the 4-point polygon mask. So just click on it, then drag it to wherever you would like. Adjust it however. I'm just going to be trying to blur out the entire TechDex part. And then once you're done with that, we're going to adjust blurriness. So I'm going to use 50, but you can play with it as much as you like. And as you can see, it's blurred. So now just press play, and that whole section will stay blurry. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can blur a face that's moving, or just an object or a logo. Go ahead and import your media. I'm using stock footage from Pexels. It's a bunch of unlicensed footage that people use to get their work out there. I'll source them in the description. Just drag it over to your timeline, and you can pick whatever effect you like. I like to use the Gaussian blur specifically, so I'm going to use that one, drag it onto my clip. Then you're going to go to the beginning of the video. We're going to be blurring out his face. So what you're going to do, I'm going to be using the Ellipse tool. Just stretch that so it's on the person's face. Get it on there as specifically as you can. And then tick the toggle animation button and press the play button. This one will scan your footage and set up the tracking for the person's face. Alright, now that it's done loading, we're going to apply the blurriness. So you can set this anywhere from 0 to 1000, I think. I prefer just using 50 to 100. So for example, I'm just going to set it to 75. Then you can see his face gets blurred. And because the tracking is already set, once you press play, it will track his face and keep it blurred. Now you notice that the side of his head will still show. You can fix this by going into the footage itself over here and zooming in and deleting or moving certain keyframes if you did want to hide the side of his face as well. So that's how you blur different things in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it or learned something, you could leave a like or subscribe. See you in the next one.